restoration makes you do what you did before and exceed it. Puts you in a place and gives a word that is the word for you. So what do? You must what? Receive it for yourself. And then after receiving, what do? You believe it. That this is the word of God for me